and today we discuss the advantages of control system. And in control system or through control system we can move large equipment with a precise that otherwise will be impossible. For example, if you move a huge antenna toward the farthest, use the control system which keep the antenna in such a direction which catches the faint radio signal. So by hand it is impossible. So that's why we use the control system, or because of the control system, elevator carry us quickly to our destination. I already discussed in my previous video that how elevator carry us or carry the passenger to their desired location, and after reaching the destination the elevator automatically stop at the right floor. So we alone could not provide the power required for the load and speed. Motor provide the power and control system regulate the position and speed. So we have four primary reasons which control system give us, otherwise we have a lot of reasons, but here we discuss the four main reasons. The first one is the power amplification, the second one is the remote control, the third one is the convenience of input form, the fourth one is compensation for disturbance. So let's discuss the first, which is the power amplification. So we discuss it by taking an example of radar antenna. We position the radar antenna by the low power rotation of the knob at the input, but the radar antenna required a large amount of power for its output rotation. So control system amplify the power from low to high and give that to the input for radar rotation. So through control system we can also amplify the power. Now the second one is the remote control. I also explain it by taking the example of robots. We design the robots by control system principle that compensate for human disabilities. Systems are also useful in remote or dangerous locations. For example, if you are working in such an electric dangerous area where you feel that there is a possibility of shocking, so you use the robot at that region, and through robot you can safely perform your duty or any other task. So to control system we also build up a robot for performing different type of tasks. The third one is the convenience of input form. So control system can also be used for changing the form of input, or also, for example, if we take an example in a temperature control system, the input is a position on a thermostat, the output is a heat. If you change the input from one position to another, the output heat will be changes. Fourth one is the compensation for disturbance. The control system also be such like which compensate for disturbance. If a disturbance comes in a system, if you design a system and disturbance comes, so you not solve that disturbance from input, but the system will be such like which by itself taken that is disturbance, or if disturbance come into the system will automatically, without giving the signal to the input, it automatically solve that disturbance. If